I just found out that this entire Hollywood-level video you're seeing on screen right now. And I made this video with AI and didn't need any expensive software. I made every single one of these cinematic scenes in under 5 minutes. And yes, completely free. You probably won't believe that, but today I've got my hands on a tool that's genuinely taking over right now. With this one tool, you can create cinematic, hyper-realistic images and full Hollywood-level videos in just a few minutes. The kind where people watch and immediately ask, how was this even made? Inside this tool, you get access to Seedance, Kling AI, Wan, Google Veo 3, and honestly, too many powerful AI models to count. And with these, you can generate fully cinematic, realistic videos in about 5 minutes flat. If you want to create videos like this yourself, there's no reason to wait. Just go to Google and search Akool. I've also left the link down in the description so you can open it directly from there. Log in with any Gmail ID, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a whole row of AI tools: avatar video, image to video, text to speech, and a lot more. Click on View All up top, and here's where it gets interesting. Just for video generation alone, there are 17 different AI models available, several of which you've probably never even heard of. Beyond that, there are 6 tools just for image generation, and 3 more for audio. There's a lot more further down too, but today our focus is on building one high-quality cinematic video. Before we generate any video though, we need a strong image to work from. So click on the image generator. Here you'll see 2 options, text to image and image to image. We're using text to image today. Below that, click on the model dropdown. You'll see Seedream 5.0 Pro, Seedream, Nano Banana, ChatGPT, Kling, and a bunch of other models. I'm going with Seedream 5.0 Pro for this one. You'll notice there's already a default prompt sitting in the box Select It All and Delete It, because we're building something specific today. For our video, I want to bring an emotional rescue story to life. I'm calling it Rakshak. A monster attacks a city, and in the middle of the fight, our hero notices a child trapped under the rubble. She abandons the fight, saves the child first, then turns back and takes down the monster with everything she's got. In the end, the child looks up at her with gratitude and she flies off into the sky. To build this, we need 2 images. First, our hero and our monster. Here are the prompts I'm using. So this is the first prompt for hero, and this is the second prompt for monster. All prompts I will provide in description. Paste one in at a time. Below the prompt box, you'll find the option for number of images you can generate up to 4 at once, but I'm keeping it to 1 per prompt for now. After that, pick your aspect ratio and resolution. I'm going with 1K resolution here. Notice this only takes 2 credits, so go ahead and hit generate. Give it a few seconds and both images come back, looking genuinely clean. The lighting, the detailing, the whole composition feels straight out of a film. Download both once you're happy with them, because these are exactly what we're feeding into the video generator next. Now head back and click on Image to Video. Here you can choose from image to video, text to video, video to video, or talking photo. We're using image to video. Click the model dropdown and you'll see Seedance 2.0, WAN 2.7, Seedance Pro, Kling AI, and more. Select Seedance 2.0. This is the one that handles multi-shot storytelling really well, which matters a lot for a scene like this with multiple emotional beats. Remove the default reference image, click Start, and upload images we just generated. Then clear the default video prompt and paste in this one. Written shot by shot so Seedance actually moves through the full story, instead of holding one static angle. This is the prompt, which I also provide in the description. Below the prompt box, you'll get more settings. First, camera movement static, handheld, and a few others. I'm going with handheld here since it adds urgency to the fight. Next, expression I'm selecting intense to match the emotional weight of the scene, but pick whatever fits your image best. Leave the on toggle switched on. Then set your duration, aspect ratio, and resolution based on what you need. This whole generation only costs around 53 credits, so go ahead and hit generate. The video starts processing, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll actually see other example videos too, which gives you a good idea of the quality range this model can produce. And here's ours fully rendered. Watch how real this looks. The fight, the rescue, the final strike, none of it feels like it came out of an AI generator. Download it using the icon once you're happy with it. Quick note on credits, click the 3 dots up top, then upgrade. If this is your first time on the platform, you get 200 free credits plus 20 extra just for signing up. That's enough to comfortably generate around 4 full videos to start. There's also a creator reward program running right now. Just make one video using Seedance 2.0, add the Akool logo. You'll find that on their Telegram. Post it on any social platform you're active on, use the hashtag AkoolClash, tag Akool, and submit your video link through the Enter to Win section using the same email you signed up with. And that's the full workflow: 1 emotional story, 2 images, and 1 cinematic video, all built inside Akool in a matter of minutes. If you run into any issues while using it, drop a comment below, and if this helped you out, hit like and share it so it reaches more people. See you in the next one.